Look at my studio quality. That's why they wanna unfollow me.
Yeah, hey guys, this is a how-to video. It's how to get your that sound, you know, that or the humming sound out of your monitors, speakers, music monitor speakers, or your speakers, whatever kind of speakers you have hooked up to your computer. Get around that hissing sound to get that sound out. This is how you do it. What you want to do is take out this third leg here. Take this one out, which I'm about to do right now for you guys. Get you some pliers. I got me some of these because it stays tight. So the kind you can just use. This is easier. So just get you some damn pliers, man. Get you some pliers, What you want to do is you want to grab that bad boy like so. Shabam, see? Twist, pull, do all that. Until you can get it up. Twist, pull, shake, shimmy. It's out. It's out, right? Bam. Pull it out. See? The third leg out. Plug your speakers in. You hear nothing from the speaker here. If you hear anything right now, that's my computer. But as you see, no sound. I'll demonstrate again because look, you can see there's no sound right now, right? Now, plug this back up. No sound. You don't hear anything from there. Now let's turn it on.
Man, oh man, I'm gonna leave a link.
That's it.
Link below.
Sound is on. No sound. That's how you do it, guys. It's the best way to do it. I don't have no buzzing, no humming, none of that. It's amazing. So you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how it worked for you. If it haven't worked for you, let me know. I'll try to figure something else out for you guys. But that's basically how you do it. So yeah, it's your boy Nolan Gainz. Like, comment, subscribe again, and have a good day.